Hi, my lovelies. How are you? Well, I'm doing fine. It's raining right now, but that's actually pretty nice. So, another coffee tea time with me and my lovely colorful cup. And if I could just ask you to pause for a moment the video and tell me why you're here, why you're watching it, and what currently is for you, yeah, the most challenging part, that would be amazing. Thank you so much. Hello, I'm back again. So yeah, challenging times for everyone, for me included. But yesterday I started with a little project. I had a stone here in the garden, and I meant to finish it a long time already. And yesterday I had this idea to, yeah, just paint it. So I painted it with nice colors and the colors of the rainbow. And in Spanish it's called arco iris, and iris or iris is the name of my mom, so it has a double special meaning for me. So I decided to paint and decorate it, and I've come across the kids projects that I have received as well, some of their project illustrations. They're really lovely, and there was written like everything is gonna be all right, or everything is gonna be okay. But I decided to put all is good, and todo está bien, alles ist gut. So putting it in the present moment. So I think right now there are different techniques, and I would like to share one with you here right now, that you can use to actually manifest a better outcome. It's all illogical right now. Everything is a little bit yeah, unbelievable. The whole scenario is unbelievable. So might as well try some illogical yeah, things. So just try to think in the present moment as if it was already here right now, here with you. So in this moment, everything is good. We are alive. We, most of us have a home where we can stay in. Most of us have food. Most of us have a partner to laugh and to share their emotions with, which can be good and can be bad. So some of us will be living alone, and they enjoy that maybe, or they don't, whatever, you know. But it's all perspective, and all I think things that we can be grateful for right now in this very moment. So I like to, in the morning, to just jot those things down that I'm grateful for, because that automatically shifts my mood and puts me in a better vibration throughout the whole day, and then everything looks a little bit brighter. And yeah, and the sun helps normally as well. Today it's cloudy, but it's nice too. So yeah, there are a lot of things we can be grateful for. Also the staff that is working in the hospitals, and the staff taking care of the elderly, the people who supply us with food, you know. Some people opened up a business, or they had already a business, but it's thriving right now. So those are all good things. I had just last week somebody bringing Jonathan bringing vegetable and fruit. So I'm really grateful for that. Grateful that I don't necessarily need to stand in the queue in the supermarket and to expose myself to the virus, or spread it, or be a danger to somebody else, because that's the most important, to be responsible, to act responsible in a responsible way, and to yeah, to minimize the spread of the virus. So all is good, all is well, we are healthy, and we live in a healthy body, and we are loved. Just imagine that those little things you can say to yourself, and it's right away, instantly, will make you feel much better. If there's anything you want to ask or you want to get in touch with me, please don't hesitate. And I'm here. We can have coffee, milk, got milk, or another drink, or yeah, well, we can have a sing song. Whatever cheers you up. I think it's important right now to cheer together and to be yeah, more united, and so that everybody can come out at a better place. Actually, we're going to be much better people, I think, in the end. And there are challenges, yes, definitely, they are there. But I think a positive mind needs to be cultivated. It's something that that doesn't come so easy and so naturally. I think it's far harder to be and stay positive than to give in negativity. So yeah, give it a try, and it's well worth it. And I see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and just message me or write a comment in the comment box. Thank you.